US investment firm Jefferies is now calling out US President Donald Trump and his logic for these steep tariffs on India. Remember, from economists to everyone really all alike have been questioning why is India being targeted, why is India getting this steep tariff rate of 50%. And now, of course, US investment firm calling out US President Donald Trump and saying that, look, it was Trump's personal peak that has fueled this targeted attack and this targeted rate on tariffs. They have said that, look, this has his personal sense of irritation in not being able to mediate in the India-Pakistan conflict. Now remember, US President Donald Trump has interestingly always taken credit for and claimed his credit really for this ceasefire between India and Pakistan, while India has constantly and consistently denied any third-party mediation in the matter. Now what is interesting to note here is that Jefferies now is saying that this really is coming from a personal sense of irritation from the US President. So for all those wondering why was India targeted, why did India face these steep tariffs, now US investment firm Jefferies is really giving that answer, apart from saying that, look, India is one of the most dynamic markets in the world, and of course India will face a direct hit from the tariffs.